So you're using Zbrush and you're running into this issue where you're trying to merge some geometry together and it's just not working with dynamesh. In this tutorial, I'll go over one simple method called bridge merge, where you retain all geometry except where you want to merge the 2 points together. Don't merge just yet. First, we need to create a gap. You need the mesh islands to be kind of separated in space. So what we'll do is we'll delete this geometry. Okay. Now you can merge down. Now with both the meshes merged down, what you need to do is switch over to your ZModeler brush. Now we're going to set up this brush simply by hovering over an edge. Now the settings are specific to vertices, edges, and faces, so it is important that you're hovering over an edge. So once you right click over a polygon edge, you'll simply need to click on bridge. It'll open up this new option, click on two holes, and then do arcs and lines. With that all set up, this tool is ready to go. Now what you need to do is simply click on both the edges on each island, and there you go. Now with this new geometry, all you need to do is hold shift and smooth it out. Thank you so much for watching this episode of Mindpoint Summit. Please like, comment, and subscribe. I'd love to hear feedback on this episode, as well as suggestions for future content. As always, continue learning and have a nice day.